Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Android head unit special for Toyota Hilux. Okay, this is a box. Car multimedia player. Let me open the box. You can check the head unit with the harness. Okay, this is the head unit. Let me check the harness seat first. This is special harness for Toyota Hilux. You can check the connector. Okay, this is remote controller. Because the head unit have DVD player, GPS antenna. This is AUX and video input. AUX left and right input. Okay. External microphone. Camera in. Two USB cable. Two USB cable with the external microphone. This is audio cable. Subwoofer, okay. This is video out 1 and video out 2. This is audio cable, rear and front, left and right. Okay. Let me open the head unit. Take out the plastic. Driver agent. Okay, this is DVD player. This is kit. Single DIN. You can check this. Take out this 2 screw because this fits the DVD player in the shaping. This Wi-Fi antenna. This radio port, connector, power port, fuse, GPS. Okay. Let me power on. 12 voltage. Okay, please take out this screw protector. This is DVD player knob. This is SD card, GPS card. You can check. This SD card. Okay. Okay, you can check this UI interface. It's built-in octa-core rack chip, very fast response. Let me install the wallpaper. Back the home button. You can check already installed. It's built-in Play Store, Google Maps. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. About motion, you can check PX5, octa-core. Oreo, 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, let me back the home. Okay, if you have any more questions, please contact to us belsee.com. Okay, thank you.